So yeah, follow the trail. Parts and pieces.
26 doesn't have a fuse, but it doesn't look like it has one.
What you doing down there?
Trying to fix Papa's motorhome.
In case you don't know, this is what it looks like. Take your motorcycle across the country. Or, yeah, I guess it's across, but stuff everywhere. Trying to be organized, but it's all in bags, so you have to pull it out every time. Kinda sucks, but also really fun.
Yeah, with a little notch on it.
Yeah. You want to see if you got one too?
Yeah. Usually they include
And adjust it because you're bottoming it out, then it's hard on your back. Crank it up a little bit. Usually,
What you doing down there?
I'm breaking that tool.
Breaking things?
I'm throwing this. I'm making this a little stiffer for you, so it doesn't bottom out when we go over bumps.
Awesome.
That's right.
I'm gonna go around for Tuesday.
Hey,
How's it going?
good.
What are you doing?
Just packing your bag because you're slow.
You excited to get on the road?
Yeah.
Yeah? Where are we going?
Phoenix? I don't know where we're going after that. Somewhere on the border. Border towns. That's where we're going.
Hey everybody, just checking with you. We had to swing a little bit out of our way today to Go AZ Motorcycles in Scottsdale to grab some oil filters for the bikes because the oil will be due while we're on our trip. So yeah, so thank Go AZ for having them in stock so we could grab them. Tried to grab them before we left, but we weren't able to do that. So they were out of stock up in Portland. So anyways, yeah, grabbing some oil filters and oil and packing up and hitting the road. We're gonna stay just before the Mexican border tonight. A little town, little RV park we picked out, and pool, and do some barbecuing and all sorts of fun stuff. So, anyways, yeah, there's an update. Look for that. Ciao.
Okay, guys, welcome. We made it to, what is this place called? Ajo? Yeah, Ajo, Arizona, which is like just 30 miles north of the Mexican border. And we actually got here at 4:58 and the office closes at 5 for the little RV park that we're staying at. So look for some pictures. We'll get settled, parked, get the gear off, wash our faces, and there we go.